Hello, future YouTubers. It's exciting to dive into this world with you. Making videos is fun and rewarding. But we have a secret. Even the best YouTubers plan their videos carefully. That's where a script comes in. Think of a script like a roadmap. It guides you through your video from beginning to end. No more staring at the camera, wondering what to say. A script keeps you on track and helps you deliver your message clearly. Ready to learn how to write a script like a pro? Let's go. Ever watch a video that's all over the place? Confusing, right? A script prevents that. It helps you organize your thoughts and present them in a logical order. Scripts break your video into sections like chapters in a book. This makes it easier for viewers to follow along and keeps them engaged. Plus, a well-written script ensures you cover all the important points. Remember, a good script is like a good friend. It guides you and makes you look good.
Know you've been a good friend.
Before you write a single word, think about who you're trying to reach. Are they beginners or experts, young or old? This matters because you'll want to use language they understand and topics they find interesting. Imagine you're talking to your best friend. You wouldn't use complicated jargon they wouldn't get, right? Keep it simple, clear, and conversational. Remember, engaging with your audience is key. Ask questions, encourage comments, and make them feel like part of the conversation. Section 4. Structure is key. Now let's talk structure. A typical YouTube script has three main parts: the intro, the main content, and the outro. Each part has a specific purpose. The intro is like a hook. It grabs attention and tells viewers what your video is about. The main content is where you deliver the goods, your information, story, or tutorial. Finally, the outro wraps things up, thanks viewers for watching, and encourages them to like, subscribe, and share. Think of it like this. Tell them what you're going to tell them, then tell them what you told them. Simple, effective, engaging. Section 5. Lights, camera, engagement. Writing a script isn't just about words on a page, it's about creating an experience. Use your script to add visual interest and keep viewers hooked. Think about B-roll footage, graphics, music, and sound effects that complement your words. A well-timed image or a catchy tune can make all the difference. Remember, people came to be entertained. Make it fun, make it snappy, make it memorable. Section 6. Editing magic. Congratulations. You've written your script and filmed your video, but wait, there's one more crucial step: editing. Think of editing as polishing a diamond. It brings out the brilliance of your hard work. This is where you trim the fat, add transitions, and make sure everything flows smoothly. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your own editing style. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you write, film, and edit, the better you'll become. So, go out there, create awesome content, and share your unique voice with the world.